Hey you guys, it's Marianne, and I just wanted to introduce you to week 3. So always, when you log in, make sure you click content because it will provide for you all the material that you need to learn and then also turn in. So anyways, we always have certain assignments every week. One is a discussion board, the other one is a spruce up. Then you always practice your writing terms and you always practice your comma usage. So that's why it's under this column. And then we have the article reflection content. It won't always be, we won't always have, and you only have 5 total, and then we're going to move on to something else. So again, this article reflection focuses on fundamentals, incorporating direct quotes, paraphrases, introducing the text, and fleshing out a summary, and then a personal reflection in the second paragraph. And then make sure you don't have any opinion in the first paragraph. That's just what the author is sharing, and then you get to spout off all you want in the second paragraph. And then I included the rubric right here to remind you what texts are being read for this week. The theme, I kind of switched it around a little bit, but the theme this week is obesity. This is how to read like a writer, and some of your comments that I commented on, some of your assignments that I commented on, I made mention of take a look at how what choices this writer is making, and think about incorporating these choices in your own this, I believe, essay. And that's exactly what this article talks about. And then complete this worksheet. And then, okay, so then we have this, I believe, and the final is not due till next week, so please don't get freaked out. But we will be doing peer workshop, and you can do that any day this week on any version of your essay. Please just don't post that you need a partner, like if you don't want to review somebody's paper until the end of the week, because they're going to be waiting around, and that's not really fair to them. So when you are ready to revise somebody's paper, then post on the discussion board. But that also means that you should have your paper in a position to have peer reviewed as well. And then make an appointment with the Writing Center. So you have until next week to finish this assignment, but I just wanted to make sure that you guys set an appointment early on in the week, because appointments fill up and you may not have a chance to get this done before the end, before this, I believe, is due. So I'm just going to please jump in and get an appointment set right away. And then we just need the second draft, because you're going to be reviewing or revising after the peer workshop. Then you're going to be revising after the Writing Center, and you most likely will be revising after you get my feedback too. So anyways, this is the stuff that we are going to be doing. And then these are more descriptions and the drop boxes. So on the announcement, some people are still having issues with the Google Docs, and so I did a quick video on it. And so anyways, if you want to check it out, that would be wonderful. It would save you guys a lot of time and me a lot of time. And so that's about it. I hope you guys have a great day, and please reach out.